come with the charging station and the dock as well, that all the accessory can be put all together. Pretty neat. You put it under the desk, and then when charging, it has a screen to tell you the charge percentage. So right now it's fully charged. Just gonna remove it and put together. So when put together, it's pretty big, and it's probably weigh about 5 pounds. And this is the charging station, so to put it in and come with the brush, the smaller roller, the flexible hose, and for the corner and the stuff. The setting had 3 settings at the eco mode, auto mode, and super mode. Super is really strong. Gonna turn it on right now. This is on eco mode. Just suck everything in. And right now I have it on super mode, so it's really strong. Turn it on. You can hear it. And turn easily. Swivel sideways. Really easy to use. When the container bin is full, just basically follow the instruction, lift it up, and you can take out the filter and pull out the dust. Pretty easy. So just lift it up. I can do it with one hand, but with 2 hands I can do it easily. This is really good and nice vacuum. Very portable, come with a lot of accessory, and really powerful. So I took out the bin just to show you. Pretty easy. The filter right there. Remove this filter, and you can dump out whatever in there.